Alright, so this is the Poco X8 Pro Max. And this is easily one of the most ambitious smartphones Poco has released in a long time. It's not just about having big numbers on paper. This phone is trying to push boundaries in multiple areas: performance, battery capacity, display quality, and even design. So in this video, we're going to break everything down, from hardware to real-world experience, and see what the Poco X8 Pro Max actually delivers in 2026. Starting with the design, this phone definitely stands out. Poco is going with a bold, futuristic look, especially with the RGB lighting integrated into the camera module. It's not just for style, it also works as a notification indicator, which adds some functional value. The back uses glass, combined with a solid aluminum frame, giving it a premium in-hand feel. You also get proper durability here, with water and dust resistance, making it more reliable for daily use. Now, because of the massive battery inside, the phone is slightly heavier than average, but surprisingly, the weight distribution is quite balanced. Moving on to the display, this is a large 6.8-inch OLED panel with up to 2K resolution. It supports a high refresh rate, making everything feel smooth and fluid. Colors are vibrant, contrast is excellent, and the viewing experience overall is very immersive, whether you're watching videos, browsing, or gaming. Brightness levels are also strong, so visibility outdoors is not a problem. Now, let's talk about performance, and this is one of the strongest aspects of the Poco X8 Pro Max. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 series, chipset built on a modern architecture that delivers flagship-level performance. But beyond the chipset, memory plays a huge role here. You get 12 GB to 16 GB of RAM, combined with 256 GB or 512 GB of fast internal storage. This means faster app loading, smoother multitasking, and a very responsive system overall. In daily usage, everything feels instant, from opening apps to switching between heavy workloads. For gaming, the experience is excellent. High graphics settings are handled with ease, and frame rates remain stable. Thermal performance is also well controlled, thanks to an improved cooling system. There's no micro SD slot, but with up to 512 GB storage, it's more than enough for most users. Now for the camera setup. Poco keeps things practical but capable. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel camera, supported by an ultra-wide lens and additional sensors. In good lighting, photos are sharp, detailed, and have balanced colors. Dynamic range is also quite good. Low light performance is improved with night mode, producing usable and relatively clean images. For video, stabilization is solid, and overall quality is consistent for everyday use. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the battery. The Poco X8 Pro Max comes with an enormous battery, around 8,500 to 9,000 milliamp hours. In real-world usage, this easily lasts more than a full day, even with heavy usage. Charging is equally impressive, with fast charging up to around 100 watts. There's also reverse charging, allowing you to power other devices. On the software side, this runs the latest HyperOS based on Android. It's smooth, optimized, and packed with features, especially for customization and gaming. You also get useful additions like game optimization modes, better resource management, and improved UI fluidity. In terms of connectivity, you're getting full support for modern standards, including 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Audio is handled by stereo speakers, delivering a loud and clear sound experience. You also get an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and various sensors for a complete flagship-like experience. So overall, the Poco X8 Pro Max delivers a very complete package. It combines strong performance, a high-quality display, massive battery life, and a distinctive design. It's clearly built for users who want power, endurance, and a feature-rich smartphone experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.